Bus driver did. Yeah, man.
Just next tell them say prayer works. When the healings are shut
down, same time the two you them enter the compound. And them
once you die you hurt, the most I alert. If I them alone, them alone.
Yeah, wagwan, viewers and subs. Bless up. I just make just a check-in come to give you guys. I want to update and share a couple videos with you guys and things. But first, just bless up all of the viewers and subs over here. Long time. And the ones that just have for their side. I'm not even keep up no more time. So 2 dead after dramatic shootout car chase in St. James. 2 persons died and 5 others were injured during a dramatic car chase and shootout that ended in tragedy along the Lilliput Main Road on the outskirts of Montego Bay, St. James on Tuesday. The Corporate Communications Unit of the Jamaica Constable Force confirmed the shooting and the 2 fatalities. It is believed that persons in a Honda CRV had been involved in a shooting incident in the Rosal area and were being chased by men in another car. Both vehicles raced along the Lilliput Main Road, exchanging gunfire and performing evasive driving through traffic. During the ensuing car chase and shootout, the CRV swerved out of control and hit a bus before veering into a wall and a light pole. The driver of the CRV died on the spot and the bus driver also died. Several persons were injured in the accident. The men in the motor car, which had been given chase, fled the scene. The Montego Bay police are investigating the incident. Jano, viewers and subs, me have a local clipping also for you guys watch and thing. Yeah, the accident and thing. Jano, it's sad. But you know, just watch the videos. Me soon fall come share my point and opinion up top.
Yo, the man in wrap up in a vehicle. And tear off on both sides. And the man gets stunned up on both sides. How are you, man? In our house and shooting. Bus driver did. Yeah, man.
You know we're gonna straighten it before we go though. And I said we're gonna straighten it before we go.
Right. I don't hear enough.
No, before we leave, you know, so we're gonna straighten it.
Get it before I leave. Yes, man.
Man, good things, but everything good though. He used to tell me I used to take care of him and everything.
Yeah. I'm busy, I'm more seen for the official reasons. The one thing that happen right now, you know, some people used to criticize man and go on. And say my colleague gift to them.
Yeah. But you know, the love soon come though. Love. Love after practice for real.
Yeah, Mr. No. To them do. To them do all day with weep and down that body. That's them come like blood.
King.
Thing good?
Yeah, man. Good to see you, man.
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, I'm not Fred fan.
All right, King.
that you might take the water from out of the local food box there container and I clean down upon the rag and thing. Yeah, them man make it hard for you to support them a road. God Almighty, no man. Look at that.
What?
Pussy.
Sana the pussy?
No.
Expert never pussy?
Yes.
So you love expert more, that's why you love expert. Let me love it, that's why you love expert. Because remember saying, me run expert now, nobody like experts now. Sana really general. And if you feel like you want to get a cut, it's okay, you go for expert then. You have to stay at Sana now. Sana no, you never eat the cut, is it?
No.
Bad boy that.
Yes, so welcome back, viewers and subs. Bless up this pastor here, Pastor Hardley. Yeah, they provided care packages and water for over 4,000 families, right? And this really took place in St. Catherine, Dunkswell. Well, my viewers and subs, good people there on your site. I'm not telling you, it's a good look. Yeah, if you can provide really for so much hungry belly. You see me? 4,000. Well, my viewers and subs, they know say Just Flex don't like keep up the time or what, but me just like you like and share the videos your site. Yeah, because really and truly, me have more go look for some hungry belly people. But here we are going, you know. Me need no support. Me no need no money from you. Just like and share the videos, please. Me have a lot of people over here, so you know take me nothing for the video them move, brother. So please, me I beg my viewers and subs. Me have some hungry belly people to go feed your site, and me no want feed them for me. I want do it with my channel. So just share no comment in the section below and we're out.
And them for no side, Ahmeds, representing for Just Flex. Just Flex tell them say prayer works. When the heathens are trying for you. Once you die, you hurt. The most I alert. If I them alone, them alone. Yeah, man, Just Flex, you don't know your success getting them upset, you know what I mean?